The Tex-Mex cuisine offers easy-to-make at-home treasures. I show you how to prepare a meal, including fajitas with tortillas, guacamole and salsa. Start by preparing 10 tortillas for fajitas. Put in a mixing bowl the wheat flour, the salt, mix all. Add the baking powder, mix again. Add the shortening, cut it into small pieces. Combine it with your fingers. Gradually pour the boiling water while mixing. Then knead for 5 minutes. Form a ball. Cover and let it sit for 30 minutes at room temperature. Divide the dough into 10 equal balls. Keep them under a towel. Heat a pan over medium heat. The pan must be hot when we cook each tortilla. Finally, spread a ball of dough. Put it in a hot pan. Spin it for 15 seconds to help it inflate. Brown for about 1 minute this side. Meanwhile, spread another bowl. Turn the tortilla over and let the other side brown a little less than 1 minute. Remove it and keep it under a towel. The 10 tortillas are ready. Cover them with cling film to keep them soft. They are soft and malleable. Now prepare the salsa. Press the lime. Cut the tomatoes into small cubes. Cut the pepper into thin slices. Put them in a bowl with the tomatoes. Thinly slice a little bit of spring onion. Mince the cilantro. Then add the salt, the lime juice, a few drops of Tabasco sauce. Mix and keep the salsa in the fridge. Now prepare the guacamole. Mince a little bit of spring onion. Put them in the mortar. Add half a garlic clove. And the salt. Crush them. First, add half a ripe avocado. Crush. Then add the other half. The lime juice. Gently mix because I want to keep some pieces of avocado. Mince the cilantro and the pepper. Put them in the mortar. Mix. The guacamole is ready. Keep it in the fridge. Now, prepare the filling for fajitas. Thinly slice the onions. Chop the garlic close. Mince the cilantro. Cut the peppers into sticks. Put the olive oil in a pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, put the ground beef. Spread it without stirring too much. Cook for 30 seconds. Then add the sweet chili powder, the cumin powder, the salt, the pepper. Briefly stir. Then add the garlic, the onion, the pepper. Cook for 5 minutes without stirring. We want to keep the vegetables crunchy. The beef will cook slowly. Briefly stir. Then add the lime juice and the cilantro. Briefly stir and cut the fire. Enjoy when it's hot. Generously fill the tortilla. Bon appétit! The tortilla is very soft and it has a slight roasted smell. Everyone will love the mixed taste of beef, cumin and vegetables. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.